In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Business not visible to customer. If your Google Business profile is only visible to you or your managers, and customers can't find it publicly, the first thing to check is whether the listing is fully verified. In many cases, a business profile won't appear properly in search results until Google has confirmed that the business is legitimate and active. Start by signing in to your Google Business Profile Manager. Once you're in, go to the main dashboard for the business you want to review. This area will usually show the most important alerts right away, so take a moment to look carefully before changing anything. What you're looking for are any warnings related to account status. In particular, check whether the profile shows something like suspended or verification required. If you see a suspension notice, that means the profile may not be eligible to appear publicly until the issue is resolved. If it says verification is required, then Google still needs you to complete that process before the business can be fully visible to customers. After that, review the core business information on the profile. Make sure your business hours are accurate and up to date. Even small inconsistencies can create problems, especially if your information doesn't match what customers or Google expect to see. Next, confirm that your business category is correct. This helps Google understand what your business does and when to show it in search results. You'll also want to double check the address or your service areas if you run a service-based business. The information should be complete, accurate, and presented exactly as intended. If your address is wrong, incomplete, or not set up properly, that can affect whether the listing becomes visible to the public. As you go through this, focus on accuracy rather than speed. It's better to carefully verify each detail than to rush through the settings and overlook something important. The key idea here is that public visibility depends on having a verified profile with valid business details and no major account issues flagged in the dashboard. So if your Google Business Profile isn't showing to customers, sign into the Business Profile Manager, check for any suspension or verification alerts, and confirm that your hours, category, and address or service areas are all correct. In many cases, that's the essential first step to getting your business visible on Google again.